Good morning, student. See here, question number 2.25 of lesson solution. In question number 2.25, amongst the following compound, identify which are insoluble, polarity, soluble and highly soluble in water. बच्चों, इस दिए गए क्वेश्चन में हमको यह पता करना है कि कौन सा कंपाउंड जो है वह हाईली सोल्यूबल है एंड हाईली इनसोल्यूबल है इन वाटर. अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड आइडेंटिफाई विच आर इनसोल्यूबल. कौन इनसोल्यूबल है पार्शियली और कौन पार्शियली सोल्यूबल है और कौन हाईली सोल्यूबल है वाटर में. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हो बच्चों, वाटर इज ए हाईली पोलर सॉल्वेंट and only those compound which will be polar in nature will highly soluble in a water because of homogeneous nature. तो यहाँ पे आपको जो 6 कंपाउंड दिए हैं और उसमें से आपको पता करना है कौन हाईली सोल्यूबल है, कौन पार्शियली सोल्यूबल है, कौन लेस सोल्यूबल और इनसोल्यूबल है. So see here phenol. So do you know students, phenol is a non-polar compound. So first, partially soluble. Phenol is the partially soluble because C6H5 group is non-polar while OH is polar. Dear student, phenol का फार्मूला आप जानते हो C6H5OH. So phenol have two group, one carbon chain compound and second is the OH functional group. तो C6H5 carbon chain is non-soluble in water but OH is soluble in water. That's why they have 50-50% character. So it will be partially soluble in water. Second is the toluene. Toluene is insoluble in water because toluene is completely non-polar while water is polar. That's why toluene cannot be dissolved in any more in water. Third, formic acid. Formic acid formula SCOOH. Highly soluble because it can hydrogen bonding with water. Because formic acid form hydrogen bond with water. That's why it will highly soluble in water. 4, ethylene glycol. Highly soluble because it has two polar groups OH. So 100% it will form hydrogen bond in water. So it will dissolve in water. Dear student, those compounds which are polar in nature and have well ability to form hydrogen bond with water, 100% with soluble in a water. So OH group, COOH group will be hydrogen bonding capacity. So those compound which consist OH or COOH group will dissolve in water. 5, chloroform. Insoluble because chloroform does not form hydrogen bonding with water. 6, pentanol. You know pentanol means OH functional group, so it will be partially soluble in water. Question number 2.26. If the density of some lake water is 1.25 gram per mole and contains 92 gram of sodium ion per kilogram of water, calculate the molality of solution. तो ये तो बच्चों बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, यू आर इजिली फाइंड आउट. सो सी है सॉल्यूशन. लेक वाटर कॉन्टेन 92 ग्राम सोडियम आयन पर किलोग्राम. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोडियम in 1 kilogram. So 92 upon 23. What is 92? Given mass of sodium upon molecular mass. So 92 upon 23 will be 4. So hence molarity of water, what will be? 4 mole. So see your next question, student. Question number 2.27. Question number 2.27. If the solubility of product of copper sulfite is 6 into 10 to the power minus 16, calculate maximum molality of copper sulfite in aqueous solution. So see here solvation. Copper sulfide is binary salt. Why it is binary salt? Because when copper sulfide are dissociated or break down after electrolysis, it will give Cu plus 2 plus S minus 2. If the solubility of copper sulfide is S, we have Ksp is equal to active mass copper 2 plus active mass sulfur 2 minus is equal to Ss is equal to S square. So solubility of copper sulfide is equal to under root Ksp is equal to under root 6 into 10 to the power minus 16. So when you put 6 into 10 to the power minus 16 outside from the under root, you get 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 8 mole per liter. So this is the maximum amount of copper sulfide in 1 liter of solution. Hence maximum molarity of solution will be 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 8 mole. See here question number 2.28. Calculate the mass percentage of aspirin C9H8O4 in acetonitrile when 6.5 gram of aspirin is dissolved in 450 gram of CH3CN. So total mass of solution 6.5 plus 450, so it will be 456.5 gram. So mass percent of aspirin in acetonitrile 6.5 upon 4.6.5 into 100. So mass percentage will be 1.424%. So dear student, next question in next video.